Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Kingston and this is Unity Edu Consult. In our last video we talked about how to create activities. So in this video we are going to talk about how to link the activities itself, how to create relationship and dependency in Primavera P6. Now in this video we are not going to rush the process. I'm going to take it step by step so you will understand how to link activity. So now the first thing I'll do is I'll bring in my predecessor column. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I'm going to bring the predecessor column right now. So I'll come over here to this place that says layout, classic schedule layout. I'll just click there. I'll come over to where we have columns. Now what I want to do is that there's no need for me to start searching for it one by one everywhere. So this is the shortcut to just find it. I'll come over to available options, come over to group and sort by, come over to list. Now I'll go down and look for predecessor. Predecessor is P, letter P. Predecessor, look for it. Yeah, here is it, predecessor. So I'll just click on it. Can you see my screen? There are two ways to do that. You can just click on it once and come over here. You see this arrow that is pointing to the right. You understand? So it's to now move it into this side that says selected options. So if you don't want to do that, you can double click on it twice and it will automatically enter the other side. You understand now? So I want it to come under remaining duration. So this is how to do it. I'll shift the arrow that says shift down. I'll click on it. So here is it. I'll click on apply, then I'll click on OK. Yeah, so here is our predecessor column over here. Here is our predecessor column over here. Now these are the relationships we want to these are the activities you want to link right now. So please, I want you to pay attention to what we want to do. The first one we want to link is that we are not going to be focused on activity names. We are going to focus on activity ID, because two activities from different WBS can have the same name, you understand, but it is not possible to have two activity ID. This is what we want to do now. We are going to focus on activity ID. Now here is it. This is the first one. As you can see, project start don't have any predecessor. The second one here is site mobilization. So we are going to assign CF 1000 to site mobilization, and the relationship here is finish to start. What do we mean by this finish to start? Finish to start relationship means that project start will finish before site mobilization will commence. You understand? That is finish to start. That's what we call finish to start. This one must finish before this one starts. Like, we also have another kind of relationship here, which is start to start. This start to start, as you can see, we want to link CF 1010 to temporary office setup. So it means that the two activities have to start together. Do you understand now? So start to start means both of them will start at the same time. Then finish to start means that one must finish before the other starts. So let's jump into the main activity of the day right now. CF 1000 is what we are going to link to 1010. So let's go, and it's a finish to start relationship. Come over to my Primavera P6. I'll click on site mobilization. I'll click here that says predecessor. Then I'll come over here. Have you seen like this folder that has a green plus sign on it? I'll click on assign. Notice something, when I clicked on assign, another dialog box came up. Assign predecessor dialog box appeared on my screen. So here is it. Yeah, here is it now. So this is what we want to assign. We want to assign project start, which is CF1000, to site mobilization. There are two ways to do that. If I just click on it once, then I come over to this place that says assign. You understand? I'll just click on it, it will assign. Then there is a shortcut to do that. This one will not stress you at all. It's just to double click. You just double click on it, and it will automatically add, and it will automatically assign project start to site mobilization. And this is where we are going to see the relationships. Have you seen it? And it is finished to start. By default, it is going to show, it will show FS, which is finished to start. Now let's go ahead and assign the second one. We can see the second one here. We are going to assign the same CF1000 to environmental and traffic permit, which is CF1020. So we are going to assign CF1000 to it. I'm going to come over here. I'll click on it. We are going to still assign project start to it, which is CF1000. So I'll click on it. I'll come over here. I'll click on assign. Yeah, and it is finished to start. As you can see here, FS. Sorry. So come over here. The third one is temporary office setup. You can see we are going to assign CF1010 to it, and it is start to start, which means both activities will start at the same time. So I'll come over to Primavera P6, click on it. This is the one I want to assign, which is site mobilization. Click on site mobilization. I'll click on assign, or I can double click on site mobilization if I like, but right now I'll just come over to my right hand side and click on assign. When you click on assign, now notice something. I'll come over here and I'll double click. So now you see FF, you see FS, you see SF, you see SS. So the one we are looking for right now is SS, which is start to start, which means that the two activities must start at the same time. So I'll click on it. We are done adding that one right now. So this is the next one. The next one is excavation and foundation parts right now. So we are going to assign two activities to that particular activity. So we are going to do that. We are going to assign 1010 and 1020 to it. So let's go ahead and do that. We are going to click on excavation or foundation parts. We are going to assign site mobilization to it. I'll double click, and we are going to assign environmental and traffic permit to it as well, and also double click on it. So we are done with that one. Let's go and assign the next one. Let's go and check the next one. The next one is reinforcement of formworks. We are going to assign CF1040 to it, and it's still a finish to start linking. So we are going to come over here. This is the one we want to assign to it right now, so I'll just double click on it. Yeah, I'll check the next one. Concrete pour for, so I'll check the next one. So we are going to assign CF1050 to it. click on it. So the one we assign to this particular one is this one, which is 1050. So I'll double click. Yeah. So the next one here is we are going to assign 10CF1060 to foundation coloring. So we are going to do that right now. This is foundation coloring. We are going to assign concrete pour to it, which is 1060. So I'll just double click. I hope you are following me. Yeah, let's move over to the next one. The next one is fabricate steels, and we are going to assign 1070 to it, and it's still finished to start. Come over here, I'll click on it, and we'll assign 1070 to it. Yeah, this is the next one. We are going to assign CF1080 to CF1090. Let's go ahead and do that. So this is it. We are going to assign fabricate steel grinders to it. I'll double click, move over to the next one, click on it, and I'll assign this one to it, 1090. I'll double click to do that. Yeah, come over here. The next one is I'll assign CF1100 to this one here, CF11011101. So I'll do that right away. I'll click on it, and I'll assign this one to it. The next one, we will assign CF11101 to install deck panels. So you are going to do that. Yeah. So the next one, I'll assign CF1102 to apply non-slip surface, and we are going to do that right away. Now assign this one to it. Yeah. So to save us time, I'm going to go ahead and assign all these ones. I'm done linking all the activities now. So the next step you will do when you are done linking your activities, you are going to close this assign dialog box. You are going to close it. For everything to come out well in your Gantt chart, this is what you are going to do. You are going to run our schedule. If you come up here, you see something like a time icon. Have you seen it? If you take your mouse pointer there, it will say schedule. If you take your mouse pointer there, it will say schedule. Have you seen it? Or F9. So if you don't click on that schedule, you can click on F9 on your keyboard, and it will automatically run your schedule for you. So anyone is fine, but let's go ahead and click here. Yeah, here is it. So I'll come over to my right hand side and click on this place that says schedule. So I'll click on it. I'll say yes. Yeah, here is it now. So we are done linking our activities right now. We can see the green bar, and we can also see the red bar, which is critical part. Thank you so much for watching this video. In our next video, we are going to talk about resources, how to create resources and how to assign them. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it, drop a comment, drop feedback. Your feedback will help us a lot, and share it with your friends and co-workers. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.